All right, Mary C. William friends, I hope you all are doing well. I am going to be reviewing what we talked about yesterday with models using linear and area models. So today we're going to look at some fractions and use our area and linear model here to help us put our fractions on them. So we'll start with 5, 6. So which point is at 5, 6 on the number line? So we have to figure out which one of these points is 5, 6. Well, I see, and I'm going to start this time with my area model, that I need to shade in 5 of my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Because remember, 6 is our whole and 5 is how many parts are shaded in. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I have my 5 shaded in parts. And it shows us our spaces matching up from 0 to A to this line. And remember, each of our spaces are needing to be close to the same exact size as one another. And remember that our spaces should be the same, not just 0 to 1. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, but we should also, after 1 to 2, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and so on and so forth. Because remember, we don't just stop with fractions between 0 and 1. We can keep going 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on and so forth. But remember, if we're working with 6, then we have 6 spaces. So if I line up my 6th space, or to my 5th space, C is my answer on the number line. So answer is C. All right, moving on. This time I'm going to be looking at what fraction is located at point A on the number line. So I'm going to be looking at my number line this time first. So I have 0 to A and then A to 1. So how many spaces do I have? I have 1, 2. So that means that my number line has been broken up into halves. So here's 1/2. And this would be 2/2. And you see it right here. 1/2, 2/2. So A is going to be my 1/2 mark. So my fraction is going to be 1/2. All right, moving on, choose one answer. So we are looking at which point is at 3/8. Okay, so again, this time I'm going to be looking at my number line first. So I need to make sure that this is broken down into eighths. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now I am going to, remember, I'm going to count the spaces. So we have 1, so we have 1, 2, 3. Therefore, this is going to be my 3/8. So my answer is going to be A. Now let's show and color in. 1, 2, 3. So I'm showing 3/8 on my area model and 3/8 on my number line. So my answer is going to be A. All right, and our last one we're going to look at is what fraction is located at point A on the number line. I'm going to look at my area model this time, and I'm going to count first how many wholes we have. What is our denominator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that my denominator is going to be 8 because there are 8 spaces in all. All right, so now I'm going to look for my numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My numerator, there are 7. spaces because there are 7 parts shaded in. So A, 1, it would be 1/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. I apologize, this is very hard to do on a computer. 4/8. This would be 5, 6, and 7/8. So my answer is going to be 7/8. All right, there's your review. Now get ready for your lesson for the day.